Diamond Archery Edge 320 LH7 to 70 number black with PKG, A13800. The leader in ease of use, versatility, and adjustability now features premium performance that other bows can't touch at a price too good to pass up. As with the entire Edge series, the adjustability of the Edge 320 makes it the perfect bow for the beginning and experienced archer alike, with the ease of tunability that only the Synchronized Binary Cam System offers. Looking for a little extra punch? The Edge 320 generates 320 FPS of game-stopping power to take on any hunting challenge. The Edge 320 is the only choice for premium performance without the shot to your wallet. Diamond Archery by Bowtech. Our mission is to provide advanced bows and related products developed on customer-driven innovation. Headquartered in Eugene, Oregon, Bowtech employs over 300 team members. It is the parent company of brands like Diamond Archery, Stryker Crossbows, as well as Excalibur Crossbows, based out of Kitchener, Canada. This extensive network of companies gives Bowtech world-class design expertise and vast manufacturing ability. Bowtech bows are made in America by passionate employees who take pride in every step of the build process. From our in-house string facility to high-quality finish process. All to build the most advanced archery product known to man, with the quality you would expect. Diamond Archery specializes in compound bows for hunting, competition and recreation. Cutting-edge innovations put Diamond among the most recognized bow brands in the nation. Powered by Bowtech Synchronized Binary Cam System for arrow velocity of 320 FPS. Adjust draw length from 15 to 31 inches long. The limb system allows for adjustability from a mere 7 pounds to a heavy impacting 70 pounds. Offers flawless straight line nock travel and exceptional tunability that sticks. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price and read the real customer reviews. Actual customer comments inside.